Hello everyone, I'm Hana, your Korean friend. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 김하나입니다. 여러분 한국 친구입니다. Today we start animals name in Korean. So today I'll explain you birds and farm animals in Korean in detail, short and easy way. So first of all, we will start with our lovely birds and then our cute farm animals. Birds watching tips. Learn the Korean name for different birds to impress friends and family. Pay attention to bird behavior such as countership displays to identify species. Observe bird habits like ready swampland to spot specific species. Interesting bird facts. The pelican is a large bird that flaps its wing on the seaside to catch fish. The vulture is a bird famous for its graceful and strong image, serving as Korean national symbol. The black drongo is an aggressive bird that guards its territory and feeds smaller birds, young in return for protection. Korean farming practice. Korean farmers often adopt sustainable and humane practice such as free-range farming. Many farms allow animals to roam freely, reducing stress and improving animal welfare. Organic farming. Some farms use organic method to reduce chemical use and promote soil health. Integrated farming. Korean farmers often combine animal husbandry with crop production, creating diverse and resilient ecosystems. But before starting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram Hana class. Birds in Korean. Birds in Korean is se. You can bird watch for them by looking into namu or trees. Byolse, doksuri, kamagui, me, bongi, olpemi, honghak. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Galmegi, Pelican, Penguin, Bidulgi, Jebi, Gongjak, Tajo, Bekjo, Uri, Gowi, Durumi. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Bird watching is a popular hobby in Korea, and learning the Korean names for different birds can enhance your experience. By understanding bird behaviors, habits, and characteristics, you can define and appreciate the diverse bird species found in Korea. Farm animals in Korean. You will find this animal on the farm or nongjang. If you want to say on the farm, add isso. The practical for add like nongjong isso. Mal, jorang mal, dangna gui, young. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Yomso, so, dweji, duck, sutak, amtak, chilmyongjo. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Traditional Korean farming. In traditional Korean farming, animals played a crucial role in agriculture. Oxen were used for plowing fields, and chickens and ducks were kept for their eggs and meat. The silkworm station, forest station, and animal care station were established to promote animal husbandry and agriculture in Korea. Modern trends in recent years, Korean culture has shifted towards more industrialized and machinized practice. However, there is a growing interest in sustainable and organic farming method, as well as focus on improving animal welfare and reducing environmental impact. Congratulations, you have now learned all birds and farm animals' name in Korean. Obviously, it will take time and practice to master in Korean birds and farm animal name, but if you memorize the following word, you will be able to pronunciation correctly. Now in the next video, we will start sea animals and insects name in Korean. So stay tuned. 감사합니다. 안녕.